Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Assyrian style breakfast. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the Assyrian breakfast. You will need 1 onion, diced, 2 tomatoes, 4 eggs, half a can of corned beef, half a cup of freshly cut parsley, 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of sumac, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And this is how your Assyrian style breakfast should look like. Eat it with some samona and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!